The Global Filipino magazine had the pleasure of catching up with SB19 via Zoom ahead of their highly anticipated world tour stop in Dubai. The band shared insights into the meaning behind their latest concert, their preparations for the massive event, and their excitement to connect with fans in the UAE.
So guys, sobrang honor namin to finally have you with us from your humble beginnings hanggang sa pagiging kings of pop nyo. Grabe, you've carried the Filipino flag to the world stage. And today, kahit virtual lang to, Diyos ko, laking bagay nito sa amin. It feels like we're sharing the same spotlight with you. Of course, nandito si Pablo, the leader and creative mind behind so much of SB19's music. Kasama rin natin si Stel, the powerful vocals na laging nagbibigay buhay sa bawat performance. Siyempre si Josh, the swag master with his rap and style na kakaiba. We also have Ken, the tip voice and cool presence that fans can't wait to get enough of. And last but not least, Justin, the youngest pero always shining with his energy and creativity. Pakitaan nga natin ang energy ang SB19 araw. Okay, we'll give you this moment to greet your fans sa UAE.
Sorry po. Hello everyone, we are SB19! Hello po. Gusto po, maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you so much. Ito ay Simula at Wakas is the title of your new EP and world tour, no? For each of you, ano bang personal meaning nito? And paano siya nagre-reflect sa journey ng SB19 ngayon?
Para po sa akin personally, yung Simula at Wakas, para may hanalin tulad ko po yun sa walang hanggang hagdan. Kasi po, every wakas ay may panibagong simula. So everything na ginagawa po namin, kapag natatapos siya, we're always thinking of something new na mag-elevate dun sa nagawa namin from before. So, ayun po, laging innovation, trying new things, trying to invent ourselves, ayun po. Ayun po para sa akin yung simula po, mas.
So, thank you very much. And Dubai is one of the world tour stops. What are you most excited to share or experience with 18 here in the UAE?
I think po, since it will be our first time to be in Doha, we're looking forward on visiting the place po, especially to see 18 sa Doha po. And nakaka-excite lang kung ano po yung possible na ma-experience namin or ma-try sa Doha since nga po sabi ko, it's our first time. So, yun po yung isa sa mga nilook forward namin. Kasi parang with Dubai naman po, we experience Dubai na. But still, excited pa rin po kami kasi every time we go to Dubai, talagang napaka-energetic ng 18 dyan, sobrang saya. And kung mabibigyan po ng chance pag may time, makapag-sand dunes ulit, why not? But yeah, I think Doha, Qatar is one of the pinaka-nilook forward po namin.
Okay, thank you so much. SB19 is known for strong vocals and powerful choreography. How do you guys prepare physically and mentally for a big show like this, lalo na sa world tour?
Actually po, sobrang hirap. Pero when we started po yung buong hirap, including the release of the whole EP, this world tour, talagang pinrepare namin yung sarili namin. So, nagkaroon po kami ng sessions talking about the plans for Simula at Wakas and our plans as a group, and even like physical training. Mapapanood niyo po ito sa vlogs namin na halos mahilo-hilo ako personally dahil dun sa mga physical trainings na ginawa namin with our coaches. So, ayun po, through those trainings and lots of plannings, we were able to do this world tour.
Okay, so P-pop is getting recognized worldwide as Filipino artist. How does it feel na tinatanggap at niyayakap ng international fans ang music niya?
Ultimately po, syempre, sobrang overwhelmed at nakakataba po ng puso. Kasi po, bago namin gawin po ito lahat, parang matagal na po namin pangarap o vision na makilala po talaga ang Pinoy music sa buong mundo. At ngayon po parang nangyayari na po siya at marami po nakaka-recognize sa kultura at musika natin. Kaya po parang kami, natutuwa po kami na we're one of the instruments or isa sa mga na nagko-contribute para mangyari po iyon. At alam po namin na marami pa pong artists ang gumagawa nito. Syempre po, hindi kami titigil hanggat syempre hindi po na isa sa katuparan yung mga visions po namin. At ayun po, masaya lang po kami. We're very thankful. At itatry pa po namin yung best namin para mas lumagana pa po at mas makilala pa po ang musikang Pilipino.
That's true. Okay. So touring can be really challenging. Offstage, ano mga ginagawa ninyo to take care of each other and keep the bond strong?
From time to time po, nagkakaroon po kami ng pag-uusap every time. For example, like pagkatapos ng performances namin or before performance namin, meron po kaming meron po kaming briefing or meron po kaming huddle para po ma-lift up namin o ma-cheer up namin yung bawat isa before performances. And after performances din po, nag-uusap po kami kung ano pang pwede namin improve sa bawat isa. Hindi lang po kami SB19, pati na rin po yung mga staff namin. Lahat po na sumusuporta namin sa likod namin. Nag-uusap po kami lahat. And that's why po we kept yung bond namin.
Thank you so much. Sa dami ng mga Filipinos, lalo na ng mga kabataan, see you as an inspiration. What's your message to OFWs, not only here in the UAE, but all over the globe, and second-gen Filipinos, specifically here in Dubai, who look up to you guys?
Ako po, ultimately, siguro po, i-a-uncle ako or i-relate ko sa kanta namin na time, na alam ko po maraming dreams ang bawat isa sa atin, marami tayong mga pangarap na gustong makamit. As we do that, as we work hard for that, hopefully, hindi natin makalimutan yung mga important things, important people na sumusuporta sa atin, lalo na kapag yung sa mga panahon na natadown tayo, nalumok tayo. So, ayun, parang maximize or cherish your time with your family and your friends and the people who have been supporting you kasi sila rin yung makakasama nyo once na hopefully hindi naman kasi ang buhay gulaw ng palad. Minsan nasa taas, minsan nasa baba. And malungkot naman kung mag-isa ka sa taas, pagbaba mo, wala kang kasama. So, cherish all the people that you have. And yun lang po.
Amazing. Okay, nakakaantig ng damdamin yung mga mensahe na binibitiwan talaga ngayon ng SB19 and nalalaman natin kung bakit talaga kayo pina-follow ng mga kababayan natin, especially dito sa Gitnang Silangan, no? And each of you has a unique role and personality. How do you balance individuality while still keeping SB19 signature sound and image?
Siguro tamang pag-uusap palagi. Nagkakaroon po siguro yung share iba't iba po ng beliefs, iba't iba rin po ng style. So nagkakaroon po kami ng parang, syempre when it comes to creativity, parang kinocombine namin lahat yung ideas ng isa't isa. Tapos doon po kami gagawa ng obra or ayun nga po, doon kami gumagawa from simula to as EP. Ito po kung mapapansin nyo, parang halos may sound po for each member. Yun nga po yung ginawa namin before namin nag-meeting po kami ng napakadaming series bago po namin ginawa yung process of simula to kasi. At ayun po, siguro through communication po talaga, I feel like ang relationship po nagsisimula syempre na naaayos mo or na-optimize mo through communication. So yun po yung patuloy natin try namin gawin, even though busy po every time po na merong decision makings or kahit siguro sa mga releases, yan po yung fundamentals po ng grupo natin.
Okay, thank you very much. Aside from this concert, actually this is not the first time na magbabiyahe kayo at mag-show kayo dito sa Dubai, di ba? Meron ba kayong mga ginawang bucket list like food, places that hindi pa yun nararating or experiences that you would love to try?
For the last time po kasi na galing kami sa Dubai, we were able to try yung sand dunes. May mga parang performances din na gumagamit ng fire, I forgot what it's called. Tapos nakaakyat din po kami ng Burj Khalifa. Ako po personally, gusto ko rin pumunta sa mga heritage sites. So para lang magkaroon din ako ng idea more sa history ng Dubai. I think it would be something interesting po for me. So yun po isa sa gusto kong ma-experience.
Ay, yung iba.
Isasama ko lang po sila doon para lahat. More knowledge.
Skydiving, did you try? Skydiving?
Yeah, gosh, ayan, ako po ayaw.
Gusto ko po i-try yan, pero hindi ko pa po natatry. Tsaka meron ako nakita parang fastest, ano yun? Roller coaster ba yun or something like gano'n? Nasa Dubai din ata siya. So yun po, yung mga extreme po, gusto ko talagang matry yan. Hopefully po meron kaming time, pero alam ko syempre yung mga ganyan, medyo kailangan pa po ng matinding preparasyon eh.
Sana makarating din kayo dito sa TGFM studio namin, no? Para
Sana
in-flash ang ating interview. Naku, grabe yun. Lastly, after the Simula at Wakas tour, what is this one dream project or milestone that SB19 would like to achieve next?
One na pumasok sa isip ko ngayon is our always dream is to perform sa mga big festivals like Coachella and Lollapalooza para po ma-introduce namin yung music ng Philippines internationally. It will be like a very big milestone for us and sa Filipino music. So hopefully makakapag-perform po kami na.
Okay, maraming salamat. Ito yung napaka-quick na interview but this is so meaningful to us, lalong-lalo na sa lahat ng mga followers nyo dito sa UAE. I will give you this precious moment to invite your fans at yung mga talagang na-excite sa inyong pagdating dito sa Dubai.
Para po sa mga manonood po at sa mga 18 po sa Dubai and UAE at sa iba't ibang party po. Magkita-kita po tayo soon. At syempre po salamat po sa lahat ng suporta nyo at sa pakikinig po ng aming musika. Sana po ay magkita-kita po tayo and syempre enjoy nyo lang po ang Simula at Wakas Tour.
Yes. October 11 po sa Dubai. Nakita po tayo.
Bye everyone. God bless and stay safe.